Lovely little back heels. Here goes George again. Flies in a menacing run. He's certainly not lacking confidence.
Then they could get opportunities to potentially win.
Toughest jobs in English football. Not a ball swirled to the near post and scrambled off the legs. Here goes Tollin again. Tollin. Early run from midfield. Lavia winner as a player. Fay Trophy for non-league teams back in 1970.
With the start that they've made, it's not just been all-out defence criticism that goes against him.
By their travelling supporters as they enter the air.
It's definitely an issue for them. The centre
started 3 of the last 5 games. They're trying to get forward on the far side. I'm sure the managers demand. Started the 4 previous game near post. Goalkeeper stays on his line again. Ooh, off the frame of the goal. They're getting warmer, Chelsea. Travelling supporters. Ball bounces awkwardly and confidently, but I'll keep talking. Copenhagen will be released into the London sky. Tollett.
Just feels as though at times things are written in the stars on your side, and Morecambe have had it so far.
Arms away go Morecambe, riding their luck. 6-yard box. Felix picks up the pieces. Had it gone out of play? Was it a handball? 2 decisions. Oh, brilliant save from the goalkeeper. Can he make it a second time? Yes, he does! Maybe a star is born at Stamford Bridge. Harry Burgoyne. Tollett drops the shoulder.
Well.
Jorgensen. And they tease the ball into the area. George just hangs it in the air. Nodded back to him from Guillaume.
Morecambe are going to need that more from him as the game goes on.
Hangs the ball in the air. Dackers is away. Tollett is in the centre. Dackers is dreaming and Jorgensen has to go.
Goals, whether that was at centre back, right back, with Dackers as in terms of what he's doing for the team at the moment. Defence
has 2 to dance. Oh, he nips through the pack. Congregate at the far post. There's more on it this time, and Burgoyne once more keeping out the header. Referee had spotted in front. George. To James. James Dink full steam ahead. Joe Felix. Flipping. He's looking for a second. He wants it to be his this time and not a deflected goal. Tossini's got those shooting boots on.
I think the message is
back in 2020, 11 the surprise. Chelsea looking for a quick fire second. Tossin shoots the demand from the supporters. It takes a deflection, a very cruel deflection. Heartbreak for Morecambe. The goalkeeper bangs the ground in anger. Tossin will take the goal, but there was a rather cruel deflection on its way.
Well, the game could be cruel, but we said just, what, 30?
Breezes past the first man. A little shoot every time Tossin gets the ball. It's on go.
League 2, so shows how difficult it is for them to find the back of the net.
George to Cucurella. Dackers. Ball is fine. The goalkeeper had lost the flight of that.
With Vegas still in the left back position, so
Tossin threads the ball through. He's looking for his second. Threads the ball through. Corella cuts it in blindly. A missed control. Another big save. And Nkunku gets his goal. Not a mass celebration from Chelsea, but an air of relief around Stamford Bridge.
This time Morecambe making their own problems. They don't clear their lines. Just see as the ball comes in now, you just think, okay, they've got everything under control, and I think it's actually Jones. It's just that heavy touch. The ball then comes.
Shot that was always rising. Disasi. And then when they fail to pay the tax man, it's hit home. Goes on the fringes. Tired of players in the penalty area. Felix leads the charge, but too much on the pass. And George gets around the defender with third goal with the killer goal. Vega willed on by the travelling folk, and Gusto easy. And supporters are congregated. That should go for a Cucurella. Cucurella flies it in. Cucurella gets a... Balls are coming together there. Tollett plays the ball in. Man-for-man marking here. Felix Osborne looking for Gusto. Gusto hangs it in there. Just about hanging on in there. Shoots is the demand. Gusto. Hope. Rattled down. Great ball through. Hallam Hope. Can he raise the... George again, who has looked very impressive. There is Tyreek George. Cucurella steps on the... Disasi's header, and that
to your Chelsea team go in for age-wise. He maybe go and get some experience plays in. I'm not talking experience.
And athletic players in there as well. Tyreek George plays it in here to winning ways. Goalkeeper leaves it.
So there was great experiences there for the younger players that were playing for Morecambe's game. They've remained behind their team.
Ball into the Chelsea goal. Jorgensen again. Time that these two sides met. And now they're coming forward. Going to be a storm from Chelsea. Step over. Tosin looking for his second of the game. He's claiming that one. Well, he answers the crowd and the demands for him to have a pop and goal. He's on a hat-trick now, Danny.
Well, he's showing his centre-back partner, Disasi, how it's done. And if there was a little bit of fortune about the first goal he scored with a deflection, absolutely none with this one.
Gusto. Cucurella. Now that would be an unusual source.
Plays as well.
Chelsea.
جزاك الله الف خير يا جرندو.
والله فهمت عارف.
يا جرندو احنا مع بعض ها يا عم
بيخبطنا يا فاهم
يا عم عايز اطلع بخبطك ايه؟ عايز واحد عايز يطلع يبقى كده بيخبط. يلا يا عم نعديها بقى والله يلا
يلا سيد نعديها يلا نعديها نعديها
ماشي.
يا فاهم لا
تقيلة يا ابن اللعيب.
شوف كده عليا وعلى اعدائي.
يا فاهم
والله تقيلة.
شايف انا اهو ترجع تقول ما ادري وش.
انا هجيب التشيك بوينت وارجع له يا قلب اخوك.
طب انا مالي يا جدعان؟ طب انتوا الاثنين عليا ليه؟ ده بقى من غير حاجه اهو. يا جريندو اللي عايز اعدي بقى خلاص. هو في ايه؟
انا جبت
يلا
الموتوسيكل
تعالى.
يا سيد. عين ورا ايه ده؟
ايوه موتوسيكل انا برضه عملت كده.
بسم الله.
عين.
لا 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 فهمي.
لا مش
عين.
خلاص يا فهم.
ايه ده؟ تروح وتعدي.
اهو انا وقعت واقف فهم.
لا هرجعك خليك زي ما انت. هديك خبطه لورا وقع هو رجع.
بسم الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نعم
معاكم في الموتوسيكل صعب اصلا.
بسم الله. خلاص يا جريندو خلاص.
يلا عدي.
يلا سيد.
انا والله ما صدقت يا فهم.
عشان لا
والله ما صدقت. كان عايز يوقعني يا اسطى. مش سالك الواد ده، مش سالك.
بس ما وقعتكش.
بس لا 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 لا